topography and available depth act as an immediate filter. Physics will disqualify the wrong gate type before you even open a catalog. Expanding this flowchart downward moves our assessment from static dimensions to ongoing operational environments, specifically daily maintenance and weather threats. Standard V-track sliding gates are incredibly space-efficient, but their ground tracks are highly susceptible to debris. To prevent the motor stalling, those tracks require clearing of snow, fallen leaves, and loose gravel. By contrast, a swing gate has no ground track at all. This makes it inherently superior for harsh winter climates or unpaved gravel driveways. When we look at perimeter defense, a dual bi-parting swing gate has a specific structural vulnerability right at its center latch. For commercial security and high-risk deployments, sliding gates are the undisputed champions. The mechanical design of a slider utilizes a rack and pinion motor and heavy catcher posts. When locked into place, this effectively distributes and absorbs direct vehicular ramming force. Sliding gates also handle severe weather better. Because they move perpendicular to the wind, they place zero excess strain on the motor during severe storms. There is a strict required compromise here. Achieving this level of crash resistance and storm immunity introduces the metal-on-metal friction noise of the track system to your property. Achieving commercial-grade security and all-weather reliability inherently means sacrificing the whisper-quiet elegance of a swinging mechanism. We map your property constraints against your operational priorities using this 2x2 matrix. First is the residential purist. If you have flat ground, deep space, value classic aesthetics, and demand absolute quiet, the swing gate is your target. Next is the urban owner. If you face a steep slope or an exceptionally tight curb space directly off the road, the standard sliding gate solves your depth problem. Finally, the security optimizer. If your priority is resisting forced entry and surviving extreme weather, the heavy-duty sliding gate is required. Your primary task is simply identifying which quadrant your physical space and security needs force you into. The ultimate reality of automated gates is straightforward. You do not choose the mechanism. Your property chooses it for you. Next, measure your driveway's usable depth, assess any upward slope, and calculate the exact lateral clearance. Consult a professional installer to verify these specific geometric metrics before committing a single dollar to an aesthetic design.